In understanding the concept of a culturally specific database within ChatGPT, we delve into its reliance on training data tied to a particular culture or context, which could limit its relevance to diverse user needs. A 2020 study conducted by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology sounded a cautionary note, emphasizing that an overly hegemonic training dataset could encode biases into the technology. While the exact composition of ChatGPT's database remains elusive, it's noteworthy that key players like OpenAI, Google, now Alphabet Inc., and Microsoft are headquartered in regions like California and Washington. This geographic connection hints at a strong tie to American culture and potentially a Western perspective, which could shape the development and training of these AI models. The concern surrounding cultural specificity extended into the first-hand experiences of the students in our research. One student, for instance, raised a cautionary flag regarding the use of ChatGPT in legal education, highlighting the intricate variations in laws across countries and suggesting it might be unreasonable to expect ChatGPT to consistently provide accurate assistance in such diverse legal contexts. Similarly, another student expressed reservations about ChatGPT's capacity to deliver reliable judgments. They shared an illustrative example where the application of English case law to Turkish legal matters resulted in incorrect conclusions. This challenge resonated with a prior example we discussed regarding transgender pronouns in Turkey, underscoring ChatGPT's limited grasp of the Turkish language and its tendency to furnish inaccurate information. Surprisingly, when we explored the existing literature, we found that there weren't many explicit discussions addressing concerns about cultural databases in the context of ChatGPT. However, we did come across an interesting perspective from a study by Sullivan and colleagues from 2023. Their research shed light on certain cultural limitations that exist, especially in the academic world, particularly when it comes to analysing news. In their study, they focused on news articles about ChatGPT. What they found was that there was a noticeable bias towards news sources from Western countries, especially the United States. This bias led them to caution against relying too heavily on Western perspectives and voices when discussing technologies like ChatGPT. Importantly, we believe these concerns can be extended to ChatGPT's own database, suggesting potential limitations related to cultural diversity and inclusivity. Examining this issue through the lenses of our various theorists reveals important insights. When we apply Christensen's perspective, the students' concerns about ChatGPT's cultural specificity point to a potential misalignment between what users expect from the tool and what it can actually deliver. This disconnect highlights the need for improvements in tailoring AI systems to specific user needs and cultural contexts. From a Bourdieusian viewpoint, the involvement of major AI companies like OpenAI, Microsoft and Google, primarily based in the United States, implies a strong connection to American culture and a Western perspective. This cultural capital and habitus shape how AI models are trained and implemented, potentially leading to biases and limitations in the technology. The concerns raised about the accuracy and relevance of ChatGPT's responses across different cultural contexts underscore the influence of cultural capital on the AI system's performance. Looking at this issue through a Marxist lens, the concentration of power in these companies, combined with their Western cultural context, can result in biased or limited representations of knowledge and perspectives. This raises serious questions about equity and access in the realm of AI technology. Lastly, Heidegger's philosophy of technology prompts us to question the very essence and impact of AI systems like ChatGPT. The concerns about cultural specificity and resulting limitations raise existential questions about the role and responsibility of AI in human activities. Moreover, the constraints posed by ChatGPT's database and potential biases call for critical reflection on the essence of AI, its impact on human knowledge and decision-making, and the ethical considerations surrounding its development and use. In essence, these theoretical perspectives shed light on the complex interplay between AI, culture, power, and ethics in our evolving technological landscape.